Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send stars in Monopoly Go. So, in Monopoly Go, stars represent a player's progression level rather than a collectible or tradable item. Players earn stars by upgrading their properties on the various game boards, which helps them advance to new boards. Since stars are tied to individual progress, you cannot directly send or trade stars with other players. However, you can help your friends progress, that is send stars to them by doing the following. The first one is send and receive stickers. Stickers are a part of special events in Monopoly Go. When you complete a sticker set, you may earn rewards like dice, cash, and other items that help you level up and earn stars. You can send and request stickers from your friends to help each other complete sticker sets. Navigate to album after unlocking it, send stickers to your friends, and whatever stars will be shown at the top of that sticker will be the value of that sticker in stars. Now, you can also send and receive free dice with friends in game. Dice helps your friends continue to play, and in turn, they can send dice back to you. The more dice you have, the more properties you can upgrade, leading to earning more stars. Inviting friends to join the game can give you both extra rewards like dice or coins, helping them with board progression and stars accumulation. Though stars themselves can't be sent, using these methods help both of you and your friends progress faster through the game and earn more stars. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.